Hey, it's Sam. Zip lines are one of my favorite ways to control gravity. Zip lines, in some form or another, have existed for thousands of years. They were first created in the mountains of East Asia, we believe, and were still widely used until the last 100 years or so. Some students in remote parts of Colombia even use a zip line to get to school, although you will probably not be envious once you see it. Check it out.
Here in Los Pinos, an hour and a half away from Bogota, there's no school bus. Instead, there's an 800-meter zip line across the Rio Negro Canyon.
I put my daughter here and I make sure she's hanging on. But even if she let go or panicked, she couldn't fall out because she's attached here. And also, I'm holding on to her.
Y luego la prenso acá.
Recently, zip lines have been more and more popular as toys and tourist attractions. And in fact, in 2018, just 2 years ago, the world's longest zip line was created in the United Arab Emirates. It is a whopping 9,284 feet long. Check it out, what it's like to ride.
Oh my God!
Right? Okay, in this activity, you will design and create your own miniature zip line. If we were doing this activity in the science lab, we would probably have specifications and there would be goals for your zip line. But today your goal is just to have fun. Since this is the last lesson of the year, I just thought it'd be a blast to go with. So do this lesson however the way it feels best for you. One way that I wanted to do this lesson was Legos. I love creating with Legos, and using a couple of simple arch pieces or even some pieces with holes in them, you could create a pretty awesome Lego zip line. And I made this safety device. It's more of a tar pool for Lego Batman. Okay, once you've made your zip line, take a picture of it or a video and share it with me here on Seesaw. I made several different types. This one I just made using a paper clip, a cork, and a coin for a little bit of weight. Also a rubber band to link up my Lego minifigure SpongeBob to it. And so for this one, this is kind of like a sit inside zip line where I can fit Lego Batman in. Sometimes I have to take off the top or decapitate him and send him for a ride. If you don't have any minifigures, you can draw a person to ride in your zip line. And if you have balloons, you can kind of make a jet-powered zip line. You could use a straw, but I didn't have a straw, so I used a pen top that I just kind of scratched on the road and smoothed out and got a hole in it. So for your zip line, you can use any type of string or wire. I would really recommend fishing line. I didn't have any fishing line, so I just used some kite string that I had. I just cut a little length. I tied one end over here to a rock. And the other end, I just set up here next to Lego Batman. And all I did is I just secured it with a Lego piece. I'm sticking it on here. I have some weight. And now that I built this zip line, I need an intrepid, brave Lego minifigure to try it out. So I'm gonna give it a shot with Lego Batman. Are you ready, Lego Batman? Okay, I'm gonna use this binder clip ring, and it fits perfectly into Lego Batman's arms. So you're gonna try this out, Lego Batman, and you are gonna tell us if it's safe. Good luck. Ow, rough landing, but it looked like it worked. What about